Good mighty morning, owls. This is Miss Weiner. Today is Thursday, January 7th, 2021. It's a D day. Please rise and help me recite the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing and help me recite the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state, under God, one, indivisible. Now it's time for our owl pledge. Say it with me. I will succeed in school with wisdom and with knowledge. I'll give 100%. I will go to college. I'll do whatever it takes, just like my parents do. I'll sweat the small stuff, just like my teachers do. I'll give no excuses each and every day. I'll close the achievement gap, working hard in every way. With my team and family, I give my owl pledge. I will succeed in school with wisdom and knowledge. Go Owls! Hoot, hoot! Now for a moment of silence. You may be seated. As you know, Idea South Flores Academy is the best elementary school in the state of Texas. Good things happen here every day. Here's some things that happened yesterday. Yesterday, scholars were working hard to ensure that they got all their work done throughout the day. I also noticed that more and more of you scholars are making sure that you're logged in to all of your classes. Nice job, scholars. I'm so proud of you. Remember, those of you that met your semester exam goal for 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, you get to dress out of uniform. Not next Thursday, but the following Thursday. Keep up the good work. It's a great day to learn. Have a great day. Hoot, hoot!